Welcome to eMedia Coach. I'm going to show you how to make a website with WordPress for free. I'm going to give you a free web address and also set up the web design. And in this case, using the example of a trades company. It's going to be fully mobile friendly, like you see there. And on that note, here is a quick demo of the website that I'm going to show you how to create. It looks absolutely modern and professional. Like I said, I'm going to help you create your WordPress website by setting up a live web address and the design framework for you. So all you need to do is go in and start customizing your website. The way to do this is firstly go to this page here, emediacoach.com/go. Follow the steps here. Now in this example, it's this one here, Trades Windows. That's the design that we're using. Feel free to browse any other designs that you would like to on this page. That's totally fine. In step 2, pick the design that you want to set up. Give your website a name and your name and email, and I will send you that information within the next 24 hours on what to do next. I'm going to set up the web address for you and the design framework for you in that time. Step 3, keep watching this YouTube tutorial so that you know what to do next once you hear from me. But in the meantime, check your inbox, your email inbox and your junk folder, because sometimes my email will land in the junk folder. Or if you're in Gmail, the promotions tab. I'll show you what that looks like right now and what to do next, which involves logging into your dashboard and starting to make customizations, which is the fun part. Here we go. You'll receive something like this in your email inbox when I've set all of that up for you. And if you click on that and the link, you'll see that the next screen just contains all of the information as a handover to you. So for example, we now have the public web address, which is live. You can actually see that on the internet right now. There you go. Furthermore, your website management area. That will be this link here. Your web address /wp-admin and username and password. Now, just so you know, you can have your own website with your own web address. As soon as you're ready to go live, let me know and I can show you easily in about 10 minutes how to get your own web address and transfer everything over. It's really easy, it's really simple. What we're doing here is enabling a free method to practice and perfect your website before you actually invest any money onto getting your own web address. But that part is really simple, so don't stress about that. All I need you to do next is to click on this link here and enter the username and password provided. And that will log you into the WordPress dashboard and we can start creating the website. This is your WordPress dashboard. Now, what I need you to do to start customizing your web page or your home page is to hover over this area here and then click on Visit Sites. And I'm going to show you how to use the rest of this area, this management portal, a little later in this tutorial. So let's visit our website. And then let's click on Edit with Elementor. You're only seeing this bar over here because you're logged in as an admin. Your customers and your visitors will never see this. So let's click on Edit with Elementor. Now what I'm going to show you is a really easy to use interface. So if you click on any text, for example, you'll see in the left hand side here, you can actually update that to anything you like. Or you could just highlight like that and update. Now, anytime you make an update, just hit the update button down here. And just like that, you can go through your entire web page and start customizing all of the elements. So text, buttons, you can enter the link for a button, the alignment, any icons, and even colors in style. And there's a whole bunch of customizations you can do, which makes it really powerful. Now, on top of that, you can also click on these dots over here and add any new elements in there. So if I want to drag in another text paragraph, I'll just drag that in there. I can enter the text, and I can also, let me just select all of that. If I go to style and text color, I can select the color for that text over there. There we go. Similarly, I may want to add another button. I can drag and drop that in there. I may want to add another image or a video perhaps. It's really cool. Or perhaps down here, a portfolio of images or a gallery. There's a whole bunch of things that you can actually do, and it's super powerful. Now, to delete something, you can't do that yet. So you'll need to go to this hamburger menu, click on that, click on Preferences, and enable the Editing Handles toggle. Now when you hover over this icon here, you should see the ability to delete. So you can, basically you can also rearrange the order in which things appear by holding down this Edit Section button over here and just dragging and dropping where you would like that entire section to appear, and of course edit anything within that section as I showed you just now. So it's really powerful. If you don't want a particular section, simply just click on the X on the delete section button and that will remove that entire section. It's really powerful. So you can use that ready-made layout and really start customizing your entire website. So I hope this is giving you a really quick and easy way to make your own website for free with WordPress. It's really effective. It's really intuitive for beginners as well. So anytime you make an update, of course, hit the update button down here. What I'm going to show you now is how to edit another page on your website. So if you go over here, let's click on View Page. I want to view our website on the internet first. After we do that, because we're logged in, we'll see the black bar. Now, if we go to another page, for example, the portfolio page, then we can, let's say we want to edit this page. You can click on Elementor, you can click on Edit with Elementor and begin editing this page. Now, I might show you quickly how to edit this beautiful looking gallery over here. If we click on that module, you'll see on the left here is the image gallery. Now let's just go there. So basically you can upload images from your computer. You can go to Add to Gallery, you can select files from your computer, a bunch of images, and then they will exist in what's known as your media library over here. You'll then be able to select those images and add them to your media library. So just as an example, let me just add a few of these that are already in there and click Add to Gallery. You'll see now that these are added. Now if I click on, I can also, by the way, remove any of these by clicking on the cross. If I just click on Insert Gallery for now, and then I click Update. What I'm going to do is, okay, that's updated. What I'm going to do is just view the page. There you go. You'll see the other images that we just uploaded, and that's automatically added into your media gallery slideshow. Now, I just picked images at random, not specifically for the purpose of this. That's why the sizing is a bit off. But of course, when you're selecting your images, they'll probably all have a similar size and proportion, which will make it look consistent. So for now, what I can do is just get rid of those ones that I don't want. Perfect. So that's how to edit another page on your website. Next, what I want to show you is how to add or create brand new pages to your website or add new modules on your web page that don't already exist. Let's do that now. Alright, so to add a new page to your new WordPress website, click over here, exit to the dashboard. By the way, you can add a million new pages if you want. It's unlimited. Add as many as you need. Let's close this and let's just go all the way back to WordPress. I'm just clicking here. Back to our dashboard. Just for clarity, I'm going to go home to the dashboard home and you'll see this. So to add new pages, all pages is where you'll see a list of all of your current website's pages. If you want to delete any, just click on trash. Simple as that. There you go. And it'll be added to your trash folder over here and it won't appear on your website. Now to add a new page, let's go here. And let's add the page title. Let's click publish. I want that page to be created first. And then we're going to go here and click on edit with Elementor. So as you can see, that's now published. It's live. It's got that URL. Now let's edit with Elementor. There are two really cool ways to add content and a layout to your new pages. I'm going to show you the quickfire method first. So starter templates. Under pages, you can actually import a whole brand new layout that you want for your page. So let's have a browse through and try and find a layout that solves the purpose of this particular page. This looks cool. Let's say this, for example. Just click on import template. And now you can see that entire template is actually deployed to your new page. And say I want to get rid of that section there, I just click on the cross, done. Let me show you another way. So if I go back there and I click on blocks, I can now select specific content blocks that I want to add to the page. This one looks pretty cool. Let's check that one out. Where did it go? Yep, let's say that, for example, I want to import this content block. Import block, and that will be added to that section on your page. There you go. You can now click on that and then update any of this content as per before. You can rearrange by simply dragging and dropping. Or put it within another content element, just like that. So as you can see, it's really, really intuitive. There you go. Maybe I'll just drop that back in here. Perfect. And then once you do that, hit update when you're ready, and you'll actually be able to go back here and then view your entire page that you created. So there are two powerful ways to create a brand new page on your brand new WordPress website. Looks absolutely fantastic, and all of it looks professional because a lot of these modules are already built, ready made, ready to import and just update. Next, I'm going to show you how to edit the logo and your menu over here. Let's start with the menu. This one's a bit different. You need to go to Customize. And you can go down to Menus and click on that menu. And what you'll see here is a list of your menu items, and you can actually rearrange them by dragging and dropping as you see there. Now you can delete any menu items by clicking remove. There we go. It can be a bit fiddly. Now if you find this a bit fiddly, let me just hit publish and I'll show you another way to adapt your menu if you find this is not working on your computer. So if I hit the cross there, back into our dashboard, you can go to Appearance and then click on Menus. And this is that same thing that we just saw. It's just a little more predictable and easy to use on this screen. Now what you can do here is add any pages that you added to your website. So any new pages you created, you can click that here, Add to Menu, and then arrange that in the order in which you want that to appear. Now if it's indented like that, on a lot of designs that will create what's known as a submenu, a drop-down menu. So that would be a drop-down under the parent item above it. But in this occasion, we don't want it to be a sub-item. We want it to be just part of the main menu. For example, you've got complete control and flexibility over that, so we'll do that. You can also add custom links. So for example, any URL, enter it there and the text, add to the menu. When you're done, hit Save Menu. Then visit your website and you'll be able to see the menu that you created on your website. There you go. Now, last but not least, how to update this logo. So we'll go to Customize. Once there, you may see a pencil icon like this. Just click on that and it should take you directly to the area where you can click on Change Image and then upload your own business logo to your website. However, if you can't see that, all you need to do is go to Customize, Header, Transparent Header. So once you hit the Customize button, as I showed you before, in the black bar that appeared at the top, Customize, and then Header, and then I believe it was Transparent Header for this design, and there it is. You can update your logo and add your business logo to your website. If you need any ideas about logo creation, let me know. I'll be happy to help in some way. So that's about all we have time for today. I hope I've shown you a great way to make a WordPress website for free. Here is a quick demo of the finished product. And if you need any help or would like us to step in and complete this website for you before you go live to your own web address, let me know and I will help you out. Just reply back to the support portal ticket that you saw in your email and we'll be able to have a conversation that way.